What's going on, guys? It's the Z guy bringing you the first unboxing video of the Tomei Expreme exhaust for my Z. I'm gonna go ahead and be unboxing it today and putting it on as well, and I'm gonna take you guys through the journey of that. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Take all these pieces out. Alright, so here you go, guys. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 pieces to the exhaust itself, and then we also are included with a silencer. So if you don't like how loud the exhaust is, or if you're going on loud trips, you can go ahead and put that on and it will silence the exhaust. I haven't really seen videos where it shows everything laid out like this, so here you go. And now it's going to go on to the install video. I'm probably going to do a cold start just so you can see how it is beforehand, and then we'll do a start after once we install the exhaust itself, so stay tuned for that. So here you go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick rev up just to see how it is before the exhaust is installed. Let's turn this bad boy on. Okay, and that right there is about a 5K rev stock OE exhaust. Alright, guys, so this is how it looks right underneath. Hopefully it can focus a little bit. So right there, that's your Y pipe, and it comes all the way down back. Let's try to move this back. All the way to your exhaust. So first off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking off the Y pipe. This connects to the Y pipe, so we're going to be taking off some bolts right here. So let's see if we can get underneath and try to get a good look at these. Right here. So we're going to take off 1, then 2 right there. That's going to be your first step if you want to install this exhaust. Alright, guys, we're back. We took off the 2 bolts, 2 14 mils. And then, if you guys remember or not, but I did have like a black plate that was holding it on right here. I took that off just because it was really hard to reach those bolts to put the wrench in. So I went ahead and did that. Then you got to come over here and take this hanger off. Let me try to position it good. Right here, take this hanger off. And then there's 2 more hangers in the back. So let's move on to the back. Come over here. I forgot to mention there's a ground right here that you need to take off. Only need to loosen that bolt. Come back here. See if I can get a good angle of it. I just forgot where it was. Let me see in here. There we go. See if I can focus this out. And this on both sides like that. Let me look at the other side. Where's the other one? Somewhere around here, but yeah. That's a progress so far. Alright, guys, I finally finished this exhaust. Took me about 2 hours. Hardest thing was probably that hanger that I talked to you guys about a little bit earlier, but let's go ahead and cold start it. So here you go. Alright, guys, there you go. And now we'll go on a quick little ride just so I can see how it is, well, pretty much in the cabin. So stay tuned. Alright, what's up, guys? We're over here driving the car. Just testing out the exhaust right now. We're about to do like a quick little pull just to see how it sounds. But to be honest, like from original factory, a little bit louder. I'm just cruising at a steady pace though, so I mean, it's all good. Alright. Put it right here. Ready? See how it sounds. 0 to 60. Alright guys, we'll do third gear right here. See how it sounds right here. Alright, what's going on guys? This is probably the end of the video right now. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Just wanted to take you on my first install for the first, like I said, first install on my 350Z. It's a 2006. Don't feel like gained a lot of horsepower, but I definitely gained a little bit. There's a little bit more throttle response. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. I do recommend this exhaust. Like I said, it is my first ever bolt-on mod. I really wanted to do an exhaust just because Tomei sounds really good on a 350Z. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Peace.